Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to move files and folders in Windows 11. Method 1. Drag and drop. Open File Explorer. Locate the file or folder you want to move. Click and hold the file, then drag it to the desktop. In File Explorer, find the destination folder or drive. Open the folder where you want to move the file. Drag the file from the desktop into that folder. Delete the file from the desktop if needed. Method 2. Cut and paste. Locate the file or folder. Right-click it and select Cut or press Ctrl+X. Open the destination folder or drive. Right-click and select Paste or press Ctrl+V. The file will move to the new location automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.